breeding agapanthus. You guys might think we're lucky just to find a good one here and there, but it's a very, very intense breeding program. So we hand pollinate, and just to show you a little bit of what happens in our workshop. This is the seedlings of all the good stuff we showed you this year. Picking of the best parents to make these hybrids. They've just germinated. Look how exciting that is. This is and I think there's about 27 or 28,000 seedlings that we're going to bring to flower. This is the previous generation, which came about 6 months before those. And look how healthy these babies are. You know what this is? This is promise of super excitement. And then the generation that preceded this are these. Look at them already. Now, look at that color. Isn't that amazing? So this is about, I would say, about 14 months worth of work. One following up on the next, following up on the next. And these things, we ignore these first flowers, even though they're quite exciting. But we ignore them because in October, November, they will be more mature and they'll show us a better show of what they can be. But can you imagine why I get excited? Can you see why I get excited? Because all of this is just promise of amazing new things. And remember, every time we cross with better parents we ever used before. So amongst these babies, I'm going to blow your mind.